Hello and welcome to this lecture recap of section 6. In this section, I provided you with a brief recap of all the 8 dimensions so that they are fresh in your memory before we dissect and thoroughly understand them in the next section. You also learned about the different ways in which the 8 dimensions can transform your business. They will be elaborated at different points in the lectures of section 7 as we understand the 8 key dimensions in depth. Now at this point, you have a solid foundation since you know the transactional model of business. You know what the 8 key dimensions are and how they can improve your business. You know the advantages of Mr. J. Abraham's approach over the traditional SWOT analysis, and you also know that you will not only master all the 3 dimensions taught by Mr. J. Abraham, but you will also learn 5 additional dimensions which are a result of my over 15 years of business experience. I hope that you found the information in this section interesting and now you are ready to dive deep and learn the 8 key dimensions in depth from various perspectives. Let's proceed to the next section and keep on learning.